Hello and welcome. In this video, we shall continue our discussion on modulus function. In this video, we'll see some algebraic equations of modulus function. If I write, let's say if I write modulus of x is equal to 3, what does it mean? So if I write modulus of x is equal to 3, what does it mean? I'll rewrite this equation as x minus 0 is equal to 3. So it means we are standing at 0. We are standing at 0 and we are asking from this point how many points are there and which are those points which are 3 units away from this point. So the distance is 3 units from this point. It is the point which is 3 units away from this point is 3, because the distance between these two is exactly 3 units. The other point lies on the negative axis, this point. Though it lies on the negative axis, the distance between these 2 points is 3. So this is the meaning of this. If I write mod x is equal to 3, it means there are 2 points which are minus 3 and plus 3. So from 0, there are 2 points which are 3 units away from 0. So this is the meaning. When I write inside the flower brackets, it is only 2 numbers. It's not the interval between them. It is only 2 numbers, minus 3 and plus 3. So let me increase the complexity of this problem a little. If I take modulus of x minus 2 is equal to 5, what does it mean? It means I'm standing at x minus 2 equals 0, x is equal to 2. So at 2 I am standing, So which are the points which are 5 units away from this point? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one point. The other point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the other point. So the points are minus 3 and plus 7. We want to, so this is actually inside the flower brackets, minus 3 and 7. How to verify this? Let us put minus 3 inside this. Modulus of x minus 2 is 5. So if I put minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 5, modulus of minus 5 is plus 5. So this is equal. Now with the other number, it's pretty straightforward to verify this. You put x is equal to 7, this one. 7 minus 2 is modulus 5. Modulus 5 is 5. So this is equal to 5. So this satisfies the equation. So if I write modulus of x plus 6 is equal to 4, then what are the points? I am standing at minus 6, standing at minus 6. What are the points? Which are 4 units away from minus 6, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is minus 10. So this is minus 10 and minus 2. So minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is plus 4. Minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. Modulus of plus 4 is plus 4. Now let us come to another equation, which is very important for us to proceed with this. If I write modulus of x is less than or equal to 3, so what does it mean? This I can write as, let me take this little down. So here once again I can write this as x minus 0 less than or equal to 3. So I am standing at 0. The distance can be equal to 3 and less also. So the distance which is exactly 3 units is this, and other point is this. So the equation says it can be less also. So anything between this is my area. This is the interval. So when I write if I write equals x equals 3, then we get exactly 2 points. If I write less than or equal to modulus of x less than or equal to 3, then we get an interval between 2 points. So modulus of x minus x less than or equal to 3, it means the distance from origin is either 3 or less than 3, anything is okay. So if you take the point here, the distance is 1, so which is less than 3, so this is also permissible. So if I write x less than or equal to 3, what does it mean? It means it is the interval between minus 3 and plus 3. Since I'm using closed bracket, this is the interval. So if I write modulus of x only less than 3, then I should not consider the exact distance 3. So this will not be included, this will be not be included. Anything between these two values, it comes to our interval. So when I write modulus x less than 3, take any number between minus 3 and 3. So that gives you the distance less than 3. Let us take one more example. Let us take one more example. So if I take modulus of x greater than or equal to 2. So this means I'm standing at 0 and the distance can be greater than or equal to 2. So if I stand here, exactly equal to 2 is this one. So if I come here, the distance is greater than 2. So anything after 2 is the distance more than 2. So anything after 2 is distance more than 2. The left side also, from here, if you take any value, the distance will be more than 2. So if I write x greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2, modulus x greater than or equal to 2, then this is actually equal to modulus of x greater than or equal to 2. It means, what does it mean is, from minus infinity to minus 2 and from plus 2 to infinity, you take any value, the distance will be greater than 2 from 0. So if I write only distance is greater than 2, then I cannot consider 2. So these two will be excluded. I should have written like this: minus infinity to minus 2 open brackets and union 2 to infinity. So this is what it means. So now let us take one more example, which is like this. I'll take the example as modulus of x is between 2 and 3. So what does it mean? It means, see here, from these two I can write it as 2 less than or equal to modulus of x, and from the second part, from here I can write modulus of x less than or equal to 3. So this means modulus of x greater than or equal to 2, and this means modulus x less than or equal to 3. I should have taken, I'll take one more number line like this. I'll take another number line. So I'll use two number lines, one for x greater than or equal to 2. So x greater than or equal to 2 means I am standing at 0, and the distance is greater than or equal to 2. What's happening to this? And welcome back. So I take two number lines. So this is for my x greater than or equal to 2, and this is for my x less than or equal to 3. So x greater than or equal to 2 means modulus x. So I'm standing at 0. Which points have distance greater than or equal to 2? So all the points which are from 2 to infinity are my points, and at the left side also the same. So this means we have from minus infinity to minus 2 union plus 2 to infinity. So what, and let's come to the second one, which the distance is less than 3. If I stand at 0, what are the points where the distance is less than 3 from 0? So the points from here to here. So if I combine these two, what is the range, or sorry, what is the domain? So I have to take the intersection between these two, take the intersection of these two. So the points are from the common points for both the intervals. This is the common point. So the common point is, so when I write this one, I write the distance is between 2 and 3. So it is actually minus 3 comma minus 2, both are included, union 2 and 3. So in simple manner we can also write this. I'll take one example. Let me take an example. Take an example. Let us take between 1 and 3. So the distance between 1 and 3. So we have to shade it out, the region between 1 and 3. So from here, the distance between 1 and 3 is the interval between this. And similarly, at the left side, we have from here to here. So this is actually minus 3 to minus 1, union 1 to 3. So this we will use extensively while finding domain and range for inverse trigonometric functions. Thanks for watching.